So let's get started. The first thing we're going to need is some whiting. Make sure you guys like, share, and subscribe. Also click that notification button for more videos to come. Back to the video. So once I'm done taking it out of the packaging, we're going to wash our fish. So after I wash my fish, I usually wash it with lemon and water and vinegar. I'm going to go ahead and go in with a little bit of Slap Your Mama, Mrs. Dash garlic and herb, onion powder, and all these seasonings are to taste. A little garlic powder, and to top it off, black pepper. And now what I'm going to do is grab a clean bowl, because we are going to be adding an egg coating on this fish. Eggs bring out the texture and it highlights the crispiness in your fish. So trust me, you don't want to skip this step. So just have as many eggs as you would like, whether it be 4, 5, or 6, and just give them a quick mix. And now what we're going to do is grab a Ziploc bag, because I find it very easy to batter the fish as I'm doing this. So we're going to go in with a little bit of yellow cornmeal. If you guys have never fried fish in yellow cornmeal, you are missing out. So just go ahead and add some yellow cornmeal, and we're just going to be adding the same seasonings that we use to season our fish. Okay, so now since we got all of our ingredients prepared and we're done prepping, now it's time to get into frying this fish. So let's go ahead and take one piece of fish out of the other container and apply it into the egg batter. And you're going to repeat this process until you're done frying all of your fish. Now, once the fish is in the egg batter, you're going to take it out of the egg batter. Make sure that you get as much excess egg off of there as possible, because you don't want any clumps in your cornmeal. And then you're just going to give it a quick shake, as I'm doing in the video currently right now. And what you're going to do from here is take it over to the fryer, and we're going to fry it in oil. I particularly use vegetable oil in this video, but you can use corn oil, you can use peanut oil, whichever oil, but my suggestion for frying fish, I would stick to the basics, which is vegetable oil, unless you're doing another exquisite dish, which, hey, stay tuned. So once your fish has fried up, as you can see here, it doesn't take that long. Look at that, you guys. That is extra crispy. If y'all can just smell my kitchen right now, it just smells so good. It just smells so good. So with that, you guys, you're just gonna cook it for maybe approximately 15 to 20 minutes, depending on your stove top. And once it's done, you're gonna grab yourself a plate and a napkin to let the excess oil drain off. So let your fish just rest while you're preparing your other side dishes, which I did prepare my other side dishes, which was cabbage and also some stovetop macaroni and cheese, not the box kind. I make it all from scratch. But with that, you guys, I hope you enjoy this recipe. I guarantee you this recipe is timeless, it's endless, and it's crispy. Can't beat that. So with that, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Also, click that notification button, and if you would like to leave any comments in the comment section suggesting a favorite recipe that you would like to see on my channel, go ahead and leave it in the comment section. So with that, you guys, stay strong, stay healthy, stay in the spirit, and I will see you on the next video.